Hey praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're heading into Target. These deals are from 6/11 until 6/18, I believe. But today is June the 12th, heading in. Please remember to comment your favorite deal of the day. I'm doing a giveaway. When I reach 25 comments on each video, I'm giving something away. This time will be a $10 Chick-fil-A gift card, or if you don't have Chick-fil-A, I will do a $10 Target gift card. Now, my last Target video, we did not reach 25 comments. I only had 18 comments, so you have to comment in order to be put into the entry to win, and you can comment anything you like, your deal of the day, or just say hello to me. If you are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please make sure you click that subscribe button and click that notification bell to all so you know when you're getting notifications for all my videos, so you know when all my videos are coming out. Also, please give me a thumbs up if you love my deals. As always, there's a printable breakdown in the description box. You can either print it off to take in the store with you, or you can just pull it up on your phone. No need to write any of these deals down. I've done all the work for you. Now, in this video, everything is digital. You are using your phone to save money. And the way I like to save money is to be practical of the things that we need in our family. Now, we need some bar soap. That's something my husband uses, so I'm definitely going to be picking that up today. And I'm also getting a new washing machine and dryer combo. It's together. It's the one and done. It washes and dries your clothes in the same drum, so you only can load it with liquid detergent and liquid softener. So I'm going to be picking that up today in my haul. All right, guys, I think that's it. If you are not part of any of the rebate apps like IBOTTA, Swagbucks, Shopkick, Fetch, then please look for my referral code in the description box. You get a kickback, and I get a kickback as well when you use my referral code. Please join me on my TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook channels, all called Praising and Saving, so you can see all my visual deals. Let's get started. So the first deal we're going to get are on these, is for a buy three or more, get a free $10 gift card, and it's on Mix and Match laundry detergents, Glad trash bags, Swiffer, Airwick, Febreze items. So we're going to be getting these down here. These are the Glad Stretchable Strength Rip Protection. Holds 80 pounds or more. I really don't know why anyone would need to hold 80 pounds or more. Maybe if you're having like a get-together or something, that's a lot of trash. So these are $13.29 each. We're gonna pick up 2 boxes of these. Your total will be $16.58. We do have a $1 IBOTTA for each one, so a $1 IBOTTA and a $1 IBOTTA, so you'll get $2 back from IBOTTA on these. And then head on over to Swagbucks. If you don't have Swagbucks, it's the same as Tada or My Points. There is a rebate on Swagbucks for 600 Swagbucks or $6 back. Now, there are no coupons for this, but we are going to get that $10 back when we get 3 items. So we're going to head on over and I'll show you the 3rd item that we're getting to get that $10 gift card. So this is the next thing you're going to get. Now, I will tell you this. This is the tag for, okay? This is the same buy 3. Get a $10 gift card, but it says price $99 and up. However, this one is working. This is going to be on the Snuggle Super Fresh. It's in $7.99. So I'm getting this one. This is a huge thing. If you watch my CVS video, then you know that I am actually getting a special wash machine and dryer that you only use liquid in, and you load it. You can load this whole container, and you don't have to fill up your detergent and your softener. So I'm going to be getting this. So these are $7.99. Ignore that. It's still working for this. $8 for these. There is a 20% off on your Target app, so make sure you clip that. 20% off is going to make these. That's $1.60 off this price. So it's going to bring this down to $6.39 for this large thing of Snuggle. Now remember, we are buying those Glad trash bags that we got earlier and this Snuggle. Your total will be $14.97 for all 3 items, because remember, we're getting back a $10 gift card. So that's going to make each of these items just $4.99 each. Great deal, especially if you need these trash bags that will hold 80 pounds or more, which is crazy. All right, the next thing we're getting is this Old Spice. You buy one, get one 50% off. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get one of these Old Spice dry sprays. This is the extra large ones. They are $7.39 each. There is a $2 coupon on the Target app on one. Make sure you click that. And then you'll head on over to IBOTTA. There is a $2 IBOTTA rebate on Old Spice deodorant on that. So with the $2 coupon and the $2 rebate, it's going to make each of these deodorants $3.39. But we need to also get one more item because we're going to be getting that second item for 50% off. So this is the second item you're going to buy. This is the Old Spice lotion. My store was out of it, so I couldn't do the deal, but I still want to bring it to you. Now remember, when you buy one, you get one 50% off. So this lotion is going to be just $3.69. Then we have a $2 circle offer on the Target app. So that's going to bring it down to $1.69. And the greatest thing about this is we do have a $3 IBOTTA rebate. So this is actually going to make it a money maker of $1.30. So adding together the $3.39 we spent on the deodorant and the money maker of $1.30 is going to make it just $2.09 or about $1.04 for the deodorant and $1.04 for the lotion. This is a great deal. This is a must pick up deal. Now, if you're loving the deals that I'm bringing to you, please, please, please smash that like button. It helps me a ton. It also helps when you comment and you share my videos with your friends and family. It helps me to just keep bringing these videos to you every single week. But yeah, this is a great deal on these items. My store started to get really busy and I wasn't able to film or take pictures like I normally do, so I have some screenshots for you guys. But the next 3 deals you're going to see are with the promotion of buying 4 of the personal care items and getting a $5 gift card. So that's what's happening. The first item we're getting is in this Degree Unlimited deodorant. Now this deodorant is going to be $1.99 at the register. So you'll pick up one of them at $8.99. There is a $3 coupon on the Target app. In addition to that, you have a $4 circle offer. So that's really good. That's $7 on the app automatically. So this deodorant is going to be just $1.99 by using your Target app only. Then you're going to pick up 2 of these Dove Men Care. These are $6.49 each. My husband loves these. I always pick them up for him. Now picking up 2 of them is going to be $12.98. There is a $4 coupon. Now if you don't have this $4 coupon on your Target app, we do have this coupon on coupons.com or ShopMem, which is really great. So that's going to bring that down as well. Good deal on this Dove Men Care. The last thing you're going to do is pick up one of this Dove Advanced deodorant. Now this Dove Advanced deodorant is $5.99. There is a $2.50 coupon on the Target Circle coupon on the Target app. In addition, there is a $2 IBOTTA rebate coming back for you. So what you're going to do is pick up that one unlimited, 2 packs of that Dove men's soap and 1 of the Dove deodorant. Your total is going to be, I can't remember what the total was, times 4, is going to be $7.46, but you're going to be getting it for just $1.86 each. However, we also got back $2 from Fetch. So that makes it even cheaper. I totally forgot to add that in to my equation there. So your total will be $5.46, and each one is going to be $1.37. So that's even better. Totally forgot about that. You're going to get back 1,500 fetch points on your Unilever, and you'll get back 500 on your Degree Unlimited. So that makes it even better. I didn't even realize that. So $1.37 for each product. Guys, if you're loving the deals, please, please, please give me a thumbs up and also comment below your deal of the day. My deal of the day is coming up. I haven't gotten to it yet. So we're going to be doing the buy 3, get $10 back on the Target gift card. This is a great deal. It's going to make each of these, I believe, $5.33. So the first thing I would like to pick up is this Downy liquid. It is $9.99. There is a $3 circle offer on the app. So it's going to make these just $6.99. This is a great deal on this Downy. That's a high value coupon on those. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to pick up a Tide detergent. You can mix and match whatever works for you. Just make sure you scan in your app to see what works. But it is $12.99 for this. And you're going to be using that $3 Target again, making it $9.99. Sure, it's working. And the last thing I'm picking up are one of these Gain odor defenses. These are, again, $12.99 for these. I really wanted to pick this up. These smell amazing. And we have a $3 circle offer on this one as well. So that's going to make it, again, $9.99. So you'll get the Downy for $6.99, the Tide for $9.99, and the Gain for $9.99. Don't forget, you're going to get back that $10 gift card when you check out. So each one of these laundry products is going to be $5.33 after your coupons and your gift card rebate. For my deal of the day, I did want you to go over the Target terms and conditions because I just don't want you to get to the store and things just don't work out the way you want to and you get frustrated. So it says here, each circle offer can be used for a maximum of 4 qualifying items per transaction unless otherwise noted. Limit 1 circle account per transaction and 6 circle transactions per day. I actually had 5 transactions today, so that was good. But those circle offers, like you're going to see here in a moment, I have a 10% off circle offer. Well, it's going to work on my 3 items I have because it's a maximum of 4. So it's going to work just fine. So this is what it's on. So this is my deal today. This is the Purex. I'm going to be getting these huge things of Purex for $3.66. That is insane because this is the 115 loads. Don't skip on Purex. I love some Purex. I use it all the time. This is a big container of it, 150 fluid ounces. You're going to pick up 3 of these. All right, they're $9.99. When you pick up 3, it's going to help you to get that $10 gift card we want. Your total is going to be $29.97 at the register. You're going to be able to use that 10% off on the Purex. It's going to work for each one. So that's going to be $2.99 off your transaction with that offer there. Then we have a $2 IBOTTA rebate for each bottle you buy. We're buying 3 bottles, so that's going to be $6 in IBOTTA rebates, which is awesome. Don't forget you're getting back that $10 gift card. So with the 10% off, the $10 gift card, the $6 back on IBOTTA, your total is going to be $10.98 or $3.66 for each bottle of Purex. If this deal in the IBOTTA gallery resets itself, I'm definitely going back and getting more Purex. Okay, praisers and savers, don't forget about that printable breakdown in the description box. I color coordinated it so you know which deals go with what. I'm sure that will help you guys a ton. Also, if you did not like, share, or subscribe, please make sure you do that now. It helps me a ton. Join me on my Instagram, my TikTok, and Facebook, all praising and saving. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you comment because I have that Chick-fil-A gift card or that $10 Target gift card that I'm wanting to give away. I'm itching to give it away. See you next time.